Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. I hope so that all are here happy and well. So in today's video, welcome to Decorate Stack. In this video, we will explore beautiful stone art ideas. Stone art simple nature and easy to find, but with a little practice, they can become amazing piece of decoration. Let's see how you can turn ordinary stone into unique art for your home. First, you can try painting stone. You use brushes, color and paint small design like flowers, butterfly, birds, or even funny face. This paint stone can be used as paperweight, table decoration, or garden ornaments. Second, creative story. Stone paint small picture of different stone like the sun, a tree, and house or the animals. Children can use these stones to create their own story. It's not only fun but also intuition. Third, you can make stone wall art, wearing stone on a wooden board or a canvas and glue them to create a picture. For example, you can make a family of cat, birds sitting or on a bench, or even a house with a tree. Add some paints in the background of extra beauty. Another idea is last one. Use a thin brush or two dotting tools to paint circle and patterns in bright color. These stones look very claiming and are great for corners or as gifts. You can also try nature-inspired stone art. Arrange stones in shapes of flowers, leaves, or animals. Place them on wooden slides or frames, and they will look like 3D painting. For garden decoration, stones are perfect. You can paint them with design like ladybug, beans, or mushrooms and place them between plants. They bring color and joy to the garden. Another creative idea is to make stone cast or tray glue flat stone together and seal them with they will look nature and rustic. Perfect for home use. Don't forget about personal stone. You can dry words, names, or shortcuts on smooth stone. Place them in a bowl, give them to friends, or keep them on your desk as reminder of positive. The best things about stone art is that it is low cost, relaxing, and friendly. You don't need expensive material, just stone paints, glue, and jet.